How to write 0.4375 as a fraction in simplest So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. We have 4 digits, so write 4 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor if we want to simplify this fraction in one step. But if we want to simplify this fraction in multi steps, then we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5 because it has digit 5 at the last. This is divisible by 5 because it has the digit 0 at the last. So if I divide this by 5, I'll get 2. If I divide this by 5, I'll get what? Look at here. 5 goes into 48 8 times. 40, subtract 3, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 7. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this digit. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. Look, 875. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I'll get 2 and I will get, look, 5 goes into 8 one time. 3, 3, 37. 5 goes into 37 7 times. 5 times 7, 35. Subtract 2, 25. You will get 175. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I will get 2. I will get y. 5 goes into 17. 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 2, 5. That is 35. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I will get here 7. So 7 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. Look, 7 is a prime number because it has only two factor, 1 and 7. 1 times 7, 7. You will not get any two numbers between 1 and 7 that produce the result 7. So it has only two factor. If you get, this is a prime number, that is why, because it has two factor. If you get two factor, if you get a prime number either in numerator or denominator, then you are done.